Niggas and my Ogida niggas, my old bay niggas, my horror niggas, my old pa niggas, and the K1 niggas. And so you MC Loaf, and so you nigga raw. Shaolin, this is your era, my nigga raw. Never tired to the mother them. Undame I me baba, coming for the prices, papa see yawari kubaba. Yes, everything's going on my way. The game was really getting boring, we me my ere. But niare or Marie no kaye. So my name go to echo one and read up kaye. Amazing day I pray for. Happy say I mean, I've been balling with my nigga, my idiot nigga, my Uber wall niggas, and my Ogida.
You pass my bag, go market, go collect 25,000 and wait, busy man. Now me supposed collect and they give you 5,000 as your percent. So you know the fear. Abi?
I tell you one thing, that one a Baba today regime. Baba we don't know himself. Now make if he quit fall out, that Baba on here will go more concon. And me, allow me, don't sorrow. But see, my 100%, you need to be complete. You must complete. If you don't want to make complete, any I want her, may be like that. Nobody gun, we'll shoot her.
I will tell you, say, if this son go one TFS head, go back to notice.
Tree when monkey sleep, they shake out till they break. You never know where you
are. Yeah, let you know, sir.
Ah, what bet you are?
I know the free party you now.
Yes, everything's going on my way. The game was really getting boring, we me my ere. But niare or Marie no kaye. So my name go to echo one and meet up by ye. Amazing day I pray for. Happy say I mean, I've been balling with my team. Yeah, girl, power team. Oda, no tiale masi me. Ulu lori alari ke goma no mi amemi. Them no feel weigh me down. I'm used to the sky while you hold the ground. You know I'm ever ready, even when I wear that gown. Oh yeah, come take your face cap, no go near my crown. I stand feet in a reque, in my pavekete, in Nika, Nikoda, Nimaya Rome Yeke, the rapper no singa, disturbing with my reggae, and I'm always on fire. I've been to many places, seen too many phases, too many ladies, but I'm still not getting lazy. Rappers urging to be noticed. I'm coming with their notice. If they try study me, them go learn many lessons. We teach them like TP, moi done that Didi. Needy, Osalo boy is souverain. Seeing all my worries of being up and running. You get me when we runners up, killing every show, and that's the reason why your hero flopping me no more than ya. They look why when I synagogue, when I go, I'm the boss, like the comrade, I'm the boss of the Genesis. Putting my rappers in Exodus. No remorse, bank account, boss, rappers get.
They just show me. They back me. Show your face, man. I see you. Daniel. Show your face.
Who you be? Who be this man? Jamo. Ngade. Olórí burúkú yìí wá ń bú ẹ̀gbọ́n tèmi. Former chairman of chairman. Na wan know who I be. Na me be baba alájọ. Èèyàn last born. Ikú burúkú. The younger brother to the former chairman. Baba. Àlàyé baba o. Baba kan. This one open mouth dey curse my brother. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Ayé o leader. We salute you. Baba no fair. Baba baba. Hey. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Are you okay pass? Ìwọ àti ìwọ. Ẹgbẹ́ body yìí kẹjú sí canal. Canal straight. Ross, hey, ìwọ. Baba Gbenga mi. Gbenga. Move our together. I dey with you, Baba. You don't get pass. Ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́.
Hey, stop there. Hey, do yourself. In Rukai, huh? You know, say you're supposed to come here anytime like this, are you? What's your problem? Take time for this. Take time. You will be walking, the former Lord.
Hey, we see you with the bug echo. You phone warlord for me. Say not clear for your eye. Not clear. I'm a Benin boy. Benin boy, no they make noise. We know they talk anyhow. And we get results. Now we get results. You will be war gecko, not a phone warlord.
Hey! And so as you be DPO now, make a cry, Kima Kelly. You get my you while they see so. Get my semi, they tell me when me come station. Amy, Babalajo, and your last born, Ikuburuku. Now me kidnap your son, DPO. What you go do?
I'm just doing my job.
Which job?
I hear that there's so much crimes in the area and so many killings. And that's why I'm here.
Now make you come here. Now make you tell them somebody they can arrest me. Huh? You the crazy? DPO, you the crazy?
That's when we go to CC King.
Huh? You the crazy? Now make you tell me you go arrest me.
I'm just doing my job. I'm a policeman. It's my duty to protect lives and properties.
Now your property are destroyed. I come near you.
But this is my son.
Ajo! Ajo!
Asoro!
69.
Asoro!
69.
Asoro! You are supposed to be in jail. What are you doing here?
Just hold on. Well, Segbepa, 30 plus 13, 26. I will go back. But, my mission here, that will kill Ajo. Yeah, Igbajo, I'll go back to prison.
You see, say God, they nice. 2 for the price of 1. Now, you don't let this fool, we call itself DPO, escape. You know, so I tell you for jail. Say now I will take complete 69, but no vex. But now your mama can't replace that 69.
Go far.
Now me kill your mama.
Now me kill your brother.
Your man is 69 now. Now me kill your mama.
Your brother na 1, you will be 2.
Only 2 people that even kill. I don't lose count.
See you, Ajo.
Your death go all. Okay. Tell your native doctor say decrease. Go learn more. Your death go fast as you don't come meet death.
Go far. I remember that dance of prison. I will kill you and your 6 feet I will deny you. You know complete 6 feet. He sang by 2 and took by some. I write you wait for war. The best narrator. God say pray for your enemy. You know give us prayer point. I write you wait for war. I wear your ring. No me say I hear word. He sang. Ajo! Hey! He's not there too. And to Bessa, and so put Sarah too. And that's the way there for war. Now person narrator. God say pray for your enemy. You know give us prayer point. Who tell you say stone not gonna kill so cold? And they hear you know me say I hear what? I saw run a warlord.
Baba beg, Baba calm down, Baba beg.
Yeah.
Baba beg,
Hey.
Baba beg.
See, Baba. Baba, calm down.
Papa see, you no go easy for lion. We wan enter river, we crocodile dey, wan go drag fish o. Hey! Papa remember again, eh? Fish we go listen to motivational speaker. Koko because of that one, jump comot water. Na kill himself. Hey! Papa calm down. Papa calm down.
Papa, mo take calm easy now. Mo take calm easy, JJ.
Hey! Hey! Na smoke, na make pot black, no be fire. Hey!
Let your pains become your anger. Let your pains become your anger. Done! Wow.
Good afternoon.
Fifi.
What are you doing here?
What I dey do for my own place, Bini Yao?
Anyway, sorry, I forgot. Sorry, you're right.
So, what are you doing here? Well,
my husband is here. I have waited for him to finish his sentence, you know, and by now he's supposed to be home. But since he returned, he has not stepped his foot in the house.
So you finally still end up with Amabi? Eh?
Before Uncle, since you refuse to marry me, won't I follow another?
Boy, if no be say na mercy when I'm mercy, when I'm mercy, normally no mercy for mercy land. I don't mercy, I don't chop your head, I don't kill her.
God forbid! That's too expensive, Osas.
See, if I go, see, if you not come up for here now, if you not come up for here now, I go transfer this again, I'll put over your head.
Sagide, what is the problem? What is it? What is it?
If I go, get out. Get out!
Baba, if I don't know whether waiting at the reason, whether not true, Baba. If waiting at the reason, say not confirm, say that baby this, Baba, wallahi not to drop this guy right now, no joy you. How you see her now?
If I kill Ifweko right now, that no fit make me jollo, that no fit bring happiness to my Osusu. The late thing we will make me jubilate and the through Shagalo and to cut her jaw head. And to finish here.
Baba Siyana, and so it go be.
Fuck you,
you don't set.
Baba, better score up for you. Better just score up for you.
Who the baby?
Baba. Normally, if that man say, you don't go pay that cow money.
I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like her. Why you don't wait make I invite you before you come? You can't go control this people who they fight war. Eh? I'm going to protect you, they protect myself, they protect other people. I don't like her.
You are supposed to tender an apology, then yell at me. I planned a successful welcome party for you in Lagos, and yet you did not show up.
Welcome party? What you they welcome for the party? I tell me you plan party for me. Eh? I tell me you plan party for me. Now prison I go, no be abroad. Now people come from abroad and they welcome. I don't like all this kind of thing. I don't like her. I don't like her at all.
I told the children you went abroad anyway.
Oh! Baba! Oh, Baba! What I want to happen? talk am. I talk am, I reason now. I take to the exact place where I dey for Benin. I take to my late brother house. I don't wonder say who tell you this thing. I take just locate me like that. Oh. So your boyfriend where you come visit for here give you the full information about where I dey. Na so you take locate me. Call the lie. Say you can't see me. So now your boyfriend you can't see for Benin. Your boyfriend can't tell you where I dey live. You call the terminal and say that because of me make you call Benin. Huh?
I don't understand what you're saying.
You don't understand that at all.
I don't understand.
Hey, women. Ah, see, who Asoro be to you?
Asoro is Osas now, Osagede.
Don't make me vex. Don't make me vex. See, don't make me vex. So, when I meet you Osa today, they ask you whether you date anybody, but he said now Osas, you dey date. How Osas say be Asoro?
Only it's the same person. Osas is the short form to Osagede. It's the same or Asoro, the same person.
Call the full name out here.
Osagede Asoro.
Osagede Asoro?
Yes.
If you like, make it be Osagede Asoro. Ah, my own wife. Because say you be Benin woman. You plan with your brothers, come kill my own brother. Eh?
Only, I don't know about this. I don't know, honestly. Only, I don't know.
You are paying me, and I love you. I know say I love you. Ah!
Only, calm down.
God. Why you do me this kind of thing? Why? Because, why they say that today I don't give my life to Christ? When this pastor preach to me, why I thought say no, I don't do bad thing again. Now this kind of thing happen. Oh, pastor, why me as I love my wife preach? I don't go lie off my wife. I don't think kill my own wife now. Because I love her, but this kind of thing. Yeah. Would you fool? Would I kill my own brother? But could they kill ourselves? They go like that. When this boy say, hey, mother do mother come back, come carry this thing come up for here. Mother try for Canada.
This is your era, my never tired to the mother them. Coming for the prices, so I can see how I cook back. Yes, everything's going on my way. The game was really getting boring, we me my but Niare or Marie no Kaye. So my name go to echo one and meet up by ye. Amazing day.
If I really walk where I got a voice now. Bien avec soin, et no gay, là, what Zege call a meeting, nous call you to order. You know, say, for Benin, we know they shout to, we know they sabi argue. Now fire, now we dey fire.
No be lie.
We go let them know, say, for a donor, we dey call results.
So.
If grams, they find blood, you give an oil, you no go take.
No be lie.
We go tell them, say, a donor be Lagos. And no gay.
Yes, my people. I really want to know what's going on. I was actually surprised when I received the surprise call from my dad. I have to come and respond to what's going on right here. What's new now? Whether you've been Igbo or you've been Yoruba or been Edo, we are all Nigerians for God's sake. So I really want to know what's going on. Please, what's happening? I think you guys should put me through. What's going on?
My prince, they kill our chairman.
Shut up! I been leave shit for Yash.
Take it easy, Mudia. What is happening? I really want to know.
Mine is that we don't have any problem. Okay? I don't have any problem with anybody. My own is, let nobody cross my path. That's all.
No be only part. Na Patricia.
Is it too much to ask?
You dey craze. You carry part come here where you dey come from Anambra State. See this one they talk of parts. You will never clear bush. You they talk of parts. Why can be this? Olori Brooklyn ni ya ni. Don't make me vex for you with a near ni. My woman see your man now they talk. My hey. Behave.
My prince. Don't be the one.
Why? Who they smell?
What did they stop?
Who they smell?
What did they stop?
What did Olori Brooklyn ni with a near ni? You they talk for why they mad if I
What did they worry you?
What did they stop?
Oga, they know they set table for family meeting. Family!
Oh, now believe with it?
Yes.
I don't know. I think they're quite bomb. Mugu or there.
You be good.
So I don't know where they live. And you be near and not gone with. I ain't my budget. I call the budget. And I want to be. I ain't my.
Let me sound it as a warning. For Bini, my own is let nobody cross my path. That's all.
Don't cross that path. I don't know be Lagos. What be on this one? What be on this one?
Fabini. Umagbenejo. On your best star.
No, I don't know be Lagos. Don't let me to.
I'm the boss, like the comrade, I'm the boss of the Genesis. Putting my rappers in Exodus. No remorse, bank account, Tirado boss. Rappers getting numerous, but to my people, I'm a plus. My people see me as a plus. Yari. It's Zira. It's Ifo.
Ajo, this no this a boy. This one a Chike the river. I say my reason with you.
Hello, Shele. What's your happen?
See, I want make me and you come together. Make we pursue Asoro go far. So that me and you we go just own this region. Just operate on our own. You hear him so?
Ajo, you don't suffer. What I put you I be like person we need people to end that sorrow. Come, matter now this Amona. I don't like all Igbo people. Oh, you notice how they fight tribal war? I know they fight tribal war. The thing when that sorrow get a personal thing. Oh, now they among the only reason like that. Saying about Yoruba Bini or now lie yo, now personal thing me and I get. Now they hear me. Nobody, I repeat, nobody there anywhere pay me say go fight for this place. Why they? So man, I no thinker. I no be partner with anybody.
Ajo, you don't understand. These be the people when they shout, you don't know be Lagos, you don't know be Lagos. Nobody they see me view.
What thing concern you, Bini or Bishan or anybody shout, I don't know be Lagos. You come from Lagos, Olori Brooklyn near me. You hear the shout, I don't know be Anambra State. You go let me fight for Lagos people now. What thing concern you?
Hold on, there, beg.
It's what it. Where in the mat. Now me make out like there. If you have a job, in your last month.
Ajo, calm down now. You never reach like that. You never reach like that. See, Ajo, no be as you see this thing. No be as you see me be. Now me they tell you.
Nah, I know why. You know say now me I no go school at all. You go tell me as it be. How it be? Make I know. No, tell me I dey listen.
Ajo, I know where your limits stop. You see that place where your limits stop? Now there my strength there. Me go cover you. Me, the same me go give you weapon as much as you want them. Anyhow. You even know what you don't understand.
Kilo shell go. You go cover me. So you don't become canopy. You go give me weapon. Because say they borrow you this camo where you wear now. You don't see yourself as army. Get sense, so get sense. So that I will really. Okay, okay. If I say okay, I want partner with Igbo people. Waiting day.
Make you agree first. Just agree now. I will tell you my terms. Simple.
How about some bam. Which one be terms? Which be terms?
Simple agenda now.
Hey! Jesus! But in brought it to terms and agenda. Ordinary say I won't kill Asoro. Now I'm this big English. Don't enter. See, Mona look me. If na this kind rubbish talk, una carry can't tell me here. I bet Mona come out. Me and God be the talk one-on-one before na enter here. I bet when I don't ready, to be ready. Like is some mind there for me to tell me your mind. What you really want, may you come back. I bet Mona come out and beg. No do na fault. Na fault na cattle market wey spoil. No be African na dey sell for road. They can't give una when I sleep here one night. For one night now, I want pursue people wey get here. I want wear olórí burúkú na. I go polish you now. I want them. Hey, Tikoto, Abagba, Leru. I've been to many places, I've seen so many faces, left too many ladies, but I'm still not get past. The rappers urging to be noticed. I'm coming with their notice. If they try study me, them go learn many lessons. We teach them like TD, but done that did it. Bad boy like Diddy.
Asoro. I know they fight tribal war. I know they fight Nigeria. I know the fight when they fight. Benin people at those states be like church. Where they accommodate anybody. She be Benin people self still there on other states. Asoro. I know the fight when I fight. Based on the busy brain where me, Asoro be. My mind they tell me say all this thing where you they vomit for mouth. Chikma, no truth.
Asoro. Me, Eze. They tell you, say, if you want make a swear, I go swear for you. Because me know waiting at the end. I'm a me fan neku. Nekwa dolly na video. I'm a me fan neku. Make you pursue these people, pursue them far. Make me and you own area. You don't understand?
Eze go to school. Eze, you know, go swear. If I find out, say, all this way they vomit for mouth and say, no shikma truth, Eze, I will kill you myself.
Confirm, oh.
Asoro, I got your back. Nothing there happen. Now me Eze goes to school. Nobody tell them, say, whether I graduate or not. But this says the way they here, graduate. I graduate. Nothing there happen. I day your back. Full time. Yeah, I'm so. Namunulumo make me and you walk. Ah. Make it be as we talk.
It's a buy two. It's a buy some. It's a quiz and red two. Eh? I read two waiting for one person right now.
I tell you.
Who tell you say stone no key stone code? The way you already know me say the way. God say pray for your enemy. God no give us prayer point. You know say Asoro na warlord. I finally say no true, but this is your word there. Easy. Easy. You graduate or you don't graduate. I promise you say your 6 feet you know will complete 6 feet.
See you better, Baba. See you better. See you better.
Right now, more enter market.
The rapper no can sing that. The stubborn with my reggae, and I'm always on fire. I've been to many places, seen too many faces.
You know what you mean? Say tears will let her drop. When you back one, but I can't go see again. Let me tell you, I don't give you the aqua now.
Kibelo makwa. You know?
Nah, what's the apple?
Obi is a boy.
Eh?
If one can be a boy. Yeah, my boy. He can be a boy.
Oh!
Ndiga ni fa promo la ko buata. Agwanti anuro. Ebuli si.
Osolia.
Ti esolia. Nkili ka de kili ododo, etu ododo eni ozu.
Ezoku.
Oye si ka obuli oge mege ni.
Ogodi yoga me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Obuli ogwu n'ukwu.
Eze goes to
This is
school.
why you have been
Wasting my bullet.
wasting your bullets.
Kai.
Oh!
When you ligum. Mana me ligi now. Yeah. Ngwa.
Oh!
Ị na-ezu ezu. Ọkwa ọgwụgo. Ọkwa ịgbatigo now. Enwube. Onye ala.
Big one.
Ngwa. Na ndokwa onye ala. Ị na-ayi ala.
Hey!
Begene. Ojo fẹ́ rọ̀ Begene.
Rain don dey fall already now.
Hey!
Who draw this rain?
Do this again.
Tani.
Baba o.
Baba.
Baba o, you don happen o. Baba. You don happen o. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Baba, they don draw rain.
Baba, tell us where the erosion go pass.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Why now? They draw rain. Baba. Baba, I don't fall now. Fall. Baba, I don't fall now. Baba, I don't fall. Baba, I don't fall now. Baba, what did they write for there? Ah!
I do not believe.
Lagos.
Ah! What did that one mean again, huh?
Baba, interpret to us now.
It means say one spanner lost. Now message they sent to me so, and I don't receive the message.
Baba, tell us what we go do.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Ah, the same old changer. We got changer. Alone. That's what we got plenty.
Leave am pass. Eze, wetin you dey find for here? Eze, you no comport yourself.
Eze go to school. Person wey get one leg no suppose to dey dance kokoje. You go ask any Benin person. Eze go to school. Why be say man? You come dey cry pass person wey get the pain. Wetin dey happen?
So you hear that?
I
hear him? My head dey ground, enemy no fit match am. You know why? I dey street dey inside me. Information steady. Abi
Confirm.
Asoro, this thing now war. This is war. You've drawn the first blood. You don't draw the first blood. Me where be they try to make peace. Me know whether we go fit come together, settle this thing amicably. You don't see and it don't happen. It don't happen.
United Nation. Who United say United Nation? See, they come and say, they carry my poto, they carry my body. Eh? You just said to be me runner. If I want shoot, I dey shoot. I don't sit up for fence.
Me and you no say na you run now. Deep down in your heart, this your heart. Muna Gima say na you run now.
I dey wear earring, no me say I dey hear war.
Clear like DSTV, say na you run now.
Let's go to school. If I want shoot, I dey shoot. And if I want shoot.
The thing be say, me I don't come tell you say na you run now. And me no say na you run now. I dey go my house.
What get to the phone warlord? Ghana the phone Galadima. Let's go to school.
Baba, see, this man, most slice this man, most smoke this man. You want to the over there, assume for this ghetto. What did they saw?
Man, you know, a fool? Oh, yeah, okay. Sir, with the South nigga, my idiot nigga, my Ubawa niggas and my Ogida niggas, my Ogbe niggas, my Okora niggas, my Opa niggas, and the K1 niggas. So you MC Loaf, so you nigga raw. Shaolin, this is your era, my Nikara. Never tired to the mother them. Undame me baba, coming for the prices, Papa see how the Kubaba. Yes, everything's going on my way. The game was really getting boring, we me my but Niare or Maria no kaye. So my name go to echo one and meet up by ye. Amazing day I pray for. Happy say I me. I be balling with my team, yeah, Johnny Power Dean. Eh, Oda, no Tialeli Massimi. Ulu Loria Laria, Kigoma, no me. Them no feel weigh me down. I'm used to the sky while you hold it ground. You know I'm ever ready, even when I wear that gown. Oh yeah, come take your face cap, no go near my crown. I stand feet in a reque, in my pavekete, in Nika, Nikoda, Nimaya Rome Yeke, the rapper no singer, disturb with my reggae, and I'm always on fire. When I remember my leke, I've been to many places, seen too many phases, have too many ladies, but I'm still not getting lazy. Rappers urging to be noticed. I'm coming with their notice. If they try study me, them go learn many lessons. We teach them like TP, Moi Donda Didi, bad boy like Didi, me showing no pity. Change girls like DP, MVC BP, never question my balling or you won't judge me needy. Osalo boy is souverain, seeing all my worries off, being up and running, nigga me crave every runners up, killing every show, and that's the reason why your hero flopping me no more than ya. They look why when I go synagogue, when I go I'm the